welcome back to this month's episode of Palmera Go. It's already November, and the holiday season is on its way, meaning colder weather has either arrived or is about to. Some of you may prefer cozy sweaters and wintertime sports, but this episode is dedicated to those who'd rather soak up the sunshine in a t-shirt and shorts. Be it last-minute getaways or already getting a head start on your spring or summer breaks, let's find some fantastic warm weather destinations. Your Palmera Vacation Club dashboard will always be your starting point for planning a trip, regardless of where you're wanting to go. The 6 ways to travel includes valuable outlets and resources that make arranging travel plans a piece of cake. Let's start by checking out the weeks available on the RCI website. It's always a good idea to look at what's available within the 1,000 points or less page, as units are always being added and you never know what you'll find. RCI makes it easy when searching through the thousands of options. You can narrow down the search results by region, date, and many more preferences to create a list of custom results. In this case, let's see what's available by searching the Caribbean and Bermuda. By just narrowing down the location, RCI gives us the best deals with spontaneous check-in dates. It looks like the Caribbean is the place to go if you're wanting to plan that last-minute vacation before the end of the year. If you're not able to book a vacation that soon, but see a resort that catches your eye, I highly recommend saving it to your favorites. That way, they're easily accessible, and you can even create an ongoing search to find out when they add available weeks that work better with your schedule. Speaking of the Caribbean, another great way to have fun in the sun while enjoying the sparkling blue waters is by hopping aboard a cruise ship. Cruises are officially back, and cruise lines all over the world are adding more and more cruises with updated safety protocols, so you won't have to worry about a thing. Did you know that Quest has unbelievable deals on cruises? I'm going to choose a random month just to show you how incredible the deals are right now. From here you can narrow down the search results by where you'd like to sail from, and duration, and of course the exact dates you'd like to go for. From here it shows you the pricing according to which stateroom style you'd like. The itinerary below gives you a snapshot of what to expect from each port, which I think is extremely helpful. If you'd like to know more about the ship, you can find it on the Carnival website and explore everything the Carnival Sunrise has to offer level by level. And while you're searching, go ahead and look up the average temperature of Cozumel in February. That alone will make you want to book your trip ASAP. Of course, I'm biased when it comes to my favorite year-round vacation destination. Hilton Head Island is the perfect destination for any trip regardless of the season. It's honestly a good time to start thinking ahead and booking your spring or summer vacation for 2022. Have you checked on the VIP weeks lately? I know everyone has slightly different spring break schedules across the country, but I think it's fair to see what's available in March. These rates are incredible, and I highly suggest making plans now before they're all snatched up. Just imagine a fun week away in 70-something degree weather, looking out for dolphins and listening to live music at dinner. Book today and let the countdown begin. Everyone still has a month left to tell us where you've traveled this year. We've loved reading about all of your trips so far, and can't wait to highlight your favorites in December's video, so don't forget to fill out the survey. Until next time!